So I had to cut the video that was going up today in half because it was getting too long and I didn't want it to be like a 20-minute vlog. So I cut it off around 9.5 minutes, and I'm going to put the fabric swatch book part into this video so you can watch that right now. So this is the book that I was talking about. It's called The Art of Manipulating Fabric, and I actually saw it mentioned on Zoe Hong's channel. She has really cool like fashion tutorial videos. She's a good person to watch. So this is the book that I got. I really like it for the techniques because I mean some things you do learn how to do in school, like gathering and ruffles, I guess, and flounces, but it shows you how to manipulate these forms in a way to make almost like new textiles. I'm kind of using it as like a textbook or a way to kind of like challenge my own sewing skills. So I've kind of been slowly working through it, and in the beginning everything was super basic. I'm currently up to this point. I have to do these ones. Well, this side, this is just normal. I have to do these ones still. It just shows you new ways of using textiles and it makes you think in different ways. I have a lot of muslin from samples that I've made in the past that were like for projects and stuff, like school assigned projects. It's nice to have something to actually use all that muslin for because it feels really wasteful to throw it all away. So I haven't been able to throw it away, but it's been taking up space and it just hasn't been very useful. This is what I've been using it for and I really like it. I've kind of, like I said, I've been working through it like it's a textbook or like a workbook and just following along basically. And all of the samples that I finish, I put into this massive sketchbook. I think this is about 12 by 18. My dad got it for me one year. It's been sitting because I haven't really known what to do with paper this large, and now I have something to use it for. This is like what I've been working on. So there's different gathered samples here, different ways to bind it, and then different ways to go over like the seam, stays, more binding, because like different ways to make it stay. There's a little bit of furrowing, which I kind of just started. I've never done that before, so that's new. And that's all I have so far. I've been trying to work on it a little bit every day just to kind of challenge myself and learn new things and new techniques. So now that that is done, I think the next thing with this collection, I'm going to design several looks. I'm not going to make several looks. I think I'm just doing one for this. I should get out the fabrics already. Actually, let's get out fabrics first because I haven't even pulled anything yet. So I, like many other people who design and make clothing, have a very advanced system of storing my fabrics. Mainly that it goes in whatever container I have. If I can find a hard container to store my fabrics, that's what I do, but it's not enough. So I have this, which is actually a travel sewing machine box. My sewing machine has been in it a handful of times. It's mainly just been to store fabrics. That mood bag back there is also for fabric storage. And I have not one, but two bags from Sephora full of fabrics. These are more fabric scraps. I think this bag is, I cut out pattern pieces, but I didn't end up making something with them, or they are leftover pieces. I don't know where I put my black latex. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you on Thursday for a new vlog. Bye!